vile moderator ametuambia, kwa mjengo kelele iko. Kama iko mahali kuna kelele ya mjengo ni hapa Kiambu. Because ile kelele iko mjengo from here, Limuru, tuna affordable housing pale Misri, Kabete ziko, Kikuyu ziko, all our constituencies in Kiambu, we have an affordable housing project. I was looking at the figures, Your Excellency, and we have close, not even close, we actually have 30 billion shillings plus ya housing ambayo imewekwa hapa Kiambu, kama hatujahesabu pesa za barabara. Therefore, Your Excellency, when many of us as leaders from this county, we say we will shut our ears to the noise, we will close our eyes to the distractions and remain focused on what we promise the people of Kiambu, Your Excellency, we are very resolute on that.